Hey, seventh grade learners, it's Mr. Alltop here, and I am going to walk you through how to create a Google quiz for the students that you're going to be teaching about the article that they have read based on the work that you have done in your analysis of that text. So, the first thing that you're going to do to create a quiz, you need to go over here in Google Chrome to apps, and there's nothing here for Google Forms because you're creating a Google form that's multiple choice. So you need to click on Docs, and Docs will open up. Also, just says start a new document. Well, still, we don't have forms. So we have to go over here to the menu, and that's where you find forms. And then it's going to give you some templates. And I think the best template for you all is just going to be blank quiz. Now you're going to have to do some work here, but blank quiz will kind of set you up for what you need to do. So you double click on that, and it's just literally blank quiz. So you can call it whatever you want. Our awesome quiz. It's awesome. All the work you've done are awesome quiz. And this is open notes, so open notes. Good luck. Now, it just says untitled question with one option. You're going to need to make five questions, but before that, you need to know who is actually taking this quiz. So the first question is going to be first name, first name, and it's a short answer text, and it has to be required. Click required. Then you need last name. So I'm just going to duplicate that. Instead of calling it first name, I'm going to replace that last name. Okay, required. Now you get into the actual quiz questions. See, these are 0 points. It's automatic to 0 points. Now you're going to go over here to plus, add question. I'm going to make up a question because I don't have an article, but I'm just going to make one up. What is the first, or what is the region of the brain that develops earlier? We know the answer to that is limbic system. That's the correct answer. We have to have 3 incorrect answers. So I'm going to say frontal lobe, say neural pathways. I'm just making stuff up. Neural pathways. Oops. Ways. And let's say dopamine receptors. Dopamine receptors. Okay. Now, what's the correct answer? Limbic system. We got to have the correct answer. So you go to answer key and you click it. That's the correct answer. And you click done. The green means that's the correct answer. Now, if you want the correct answer to be B, C, D, whatever you want. Okay. I'm gonna make it B. The correct answer, limbic system, is B. Now, you need 5 questions. That's question 1. The easiest way to do this is just to go duplicate, 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 and duplicate. Now, it's the same questions. So now what you're going to have to do is but the thing is, set it up. Now it's 2 points, 2 points, 2 points, etc. Go up here. How many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I need another one. 5. Okay, now I've got 5 questions, 10 points, 2 points each. But now that I've copied them, you don't want 5 of the same question. Now you have to answer another. You have to ask 4 other new questions, and with incorrect and correct, 1 correct answer and 3 incorrect answers, and then you can move this around like that. Okay, so the copy and paste thing right here will definitely help you once you set up that each of your answers are worth 2 points. Now you've got your quiz with 5 questions. You have to do more work with actually asking the questions. Then you go to settings and make sure that everything is set up here. Do you want your students to receive their scores immediately as soon as they hit enter? Do you want them to see what their score is? Fine. If you want to do that, that's okay. That's automatic. Or do you want to wait till everybody's answered them and then you can go over the answers, etc. Do you want them to see what they missed? Do you want them to see what the correct answers were, what their point value was? You can do that. You can turn it on or off like that. The default point value is 2 points. It's a 10-point quiz, 5 questions, 2 points each. Responses here should be set up. You are collecting their email addresses automatically, so I will know who it is that entered this. They do not get a copy of their response. They cannot edit their response. It's only for Danbury students. It's already turned on, and they only get to answer one time. Limit to one response. Very important. They take the quiz one time. Then this is totally optional, but if you want to, if you want to give them a message once they've turned it in, sometimes I like to put a joke in here. So you know that I like to put jokes. If you want to put a joke in there after they have responded, put joke, 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 whatever that is. And then when they hit enter, they'll get a joke, some message from them. Okay. I think that everything else should be set. And if you want to double check it, you go back to questions. You want to click this eyeball here. What does it look like? Here's my quiz, our awesome quiz. Open notes, good luck. First name, last name, and then your 5 questions. You're going to have new questions, but you have 5 questions there. Then they press submit, they get their joke. And then if they want to get their grade, you might send them their grade, or you can go over it after they are done. I hope this is helpful. Good luck, everybody. Bye bye.